Hi guys, I haven't done this in a while. This eyeshadow look was inspired by Anouk. I'll be sure to link her in the description. I'll also link all products in the description below. Let's go. First, I'm setting my eyelids with Milani eyeshadow primer. You can use a concealer as well. Next, I'm going to take a gel eyeliner to cover my crease and use a black eyeshadow to soften the crease. Next, I'm taking a gray eyeshadow to further soften the crease. Guys, the key here is to blend, blend, and blend. Then I used a white matte eyeshadow to highlight the highest points of my brow. Taking a concealer, I am going to cut my crease. Guys, this is my first time ever. I'm so sorry, I didn't know my camera didn't film my whole process of the eyeshadow. Next, taking a pot gel eyeliner, I am lining my eyelids and also drawing out a wing. Adding a little glitter to the middle of my lids. And now for the base. We're going to get back to the eyes later. I'm going to use one of my favorite foundations, the Milani Perfect and Conceal foundation. This foundation is my perfect match. I'm also going to use two concealers to highlight my chin, my forehead, and under my eye. Next, I'm using the Maybelline lifter sticks as a contour to bring back shadows to my face. I'm going to start by blending out the darker concealer that I used to conceal my under eye. Taking the lighter concealer, I'm going to use it to further brighten my under eye. And now it's time to blend, 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 and blend the concealer and the contour. In this video, I featured two black-owned companies that are no longer. That is Colored Rain and Amicole. I really miss them so much. Next, I'm going to take the Amicole Multi-Sticks and use it as a blush, warming it on my arm before applying it to my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Silky Finishing Powder under my eyes and everywhere I applied concealer. Guys, always remember to dab the excess powder before applying it to your face. Using the House Labs bronzer in the shade Redwood, I'm applying it basically to everywhere I applied my contour. For my blush, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Granita Glow. Using the Juvia's Place Pressed Powder in the shade Casina, I'm going to set the rest of my face. And now back to the eyes. I'm going to use the colors I used for my upper eyelid in my lower eyelids, and that's basically what I did here, using the grays, the black, and the white. I'm using the Colored Rain lip liner, and I'm also going to use the Maybelline Cloudtopia for my lips. And then I used the Juvia's Place Heroin Glow 2 to highlight my face. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, to comment, to subscribe, and please help me tell your friends also to join and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 100 subscribers before the end of this month of March. Thank you. Bye.